In this video, we will cover the concept of ribosomes. They're tiny, but without them, our life can stop. Well, so what are ribosomes? Well, ribosomes are small structures that are found in all cells. They make proteins, which is really important for every organism. It has no membrane. It is just made of RNA and proteins. Now, what is the structure of ribosomes? Well, it has two subunits, which is like a burger, one large one and a small one. They're really, really small. They can be only seen under electron microscope. It cannot be seen with the normal microscope because they're around 20 nanometers. Yeah, that much small. So pretty much they're made of RNA and proteins, just as I've mentioned. And it falls into the topic of structure. Now, pretty much proteins are essential for enzymes, hormones, repair, and growth. That is why our body needs proteins. Well, pretty much ribosomes, they make the protein. So they're the site of protein synthesis. So pretty much without ribosomes, no proteins. And no proteins equals to no life. Now, where do you really find the ribosomes? Well, it can be around the nucleus or around other organelles. Overall, they are present in all types of cells. So they are a must because without no ribosomes, as we have learned, that there will be no life. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any queries about ribosomes, which is a really simple concept, still feel free to ask in the comment section. And also, if you want to know more about biology, feel free to subscribe. And you should watch the video and the playlist about cells. It includes everything about cells. Thank you.